Hey, beautiful souls. How are y'all today on this beautiful Thursday? I don't know how cold it is outside. I don't think it's like that cold outside, but it's winter. I hope y'all are doing well and have had a great week thus far. The messages that has been coming out this week has been phenomenal. All right. All right, so we have 7 cards already. All right. First one is trust yourself. Your thoughts are aligned with your goals. Your creative ideas are inspirational and transformative for others. Do it now. Get clear about what you want. Keep your eyes on the prize and put in the work. All right, so this is a good, this is a decent message. It's not like the top tier, but it's a decent message. Okay, trust yourself. Whatever you're doing, trust yourself. Trust what the divine is telling you. Trust your gut. Trust your gut feeling. Trust your intuition. Trust it. Because your thoughts are aligned with your goals. So trust it. Your creative ideas are inspirational and transformative for others. Yes. So your thoughts are aligned with your goals. Because your creative ideas are inspirational and transformative for others. As we say, are we speaking it as it is already done. So do it now. Do it now. Don't second guess yourself. Do it now. Sometimes when we sit on a immediate thought, it becomes a delayed thought, and so you end up procrastinating, and then you miss out on what was supposed to be because you did not do it now. You did not act upon it now. You did not take the steps to do it now. You let those delayed thoughts get into your psyche. So get clear about what you want. Get clear about it. There's nothing to second guess. Get clear about what you want. To make sure you're keeping your eyes on the prize. You're keeping your eyes on what you have set out to do. What the divine has told you to do. Keep your eyes on the prize. And last but not least, put in that work. Put in that work. Okay? All right. So that is the message for today. And this is still a good message. This is a good message. This is a cheering message to keep you on track, to encourage you to not second guess yourself. So y'all are still out here doing the darn thing. So put in the work and trust yourself. All right. I am Cassandra Bethea Shine, and it is through our voices and stories that we can help or inspire others to become survivors. Don't forget to sound the silence in domestic violence. Someone needs to hear your voice in your story to be encouraged. All right, have a beautiful day.